One of the factors in this table that makes it so special is the base. We ordered the base online. I love this company, Flowyline table bases and coffee table bases. They do a pretty spectacular job of making sexy bases that don't overwhelm the table. So this is the one we bought, and we added this undercarriage with these massive supportive sliding brackets so that it'll carry the weight of this really heavy solid wood and epoxy table. And now the goal was to, how do we get this whole table to slide back and forth without the base being able to move? So that again, the chandelier and the base stay centered and the table moves back and forth as the extension slides up and down. So I've got this MDF base, these sliding rails, and these massive 300-pound, 2 sets of them, extension glides with soft open and close. And it has these safety latches so that once the table is fully extended, it can't unextend unless you push these latches up. So let's do that really quick. We're gonna have the video. I'd love to have the video watch as we push the safety latches and start pulling the table out. This piece doesn't move. The table will slide out, the waterfall will close down, and the table sits in place.